Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Hope you will be fine. In the previous class, we have done the topic article. We have done the exercise on page number 18 in 10th class book. So I have an exercise for you people to solve. In this summary session, I will solve it for you. So kindly be careful and be attentive. Number 1, I bought dash pair of shoes. I bought a pair of shoes. Number 2, I saw dash movie last night. I saw a movie last night. Number 3, they are staying at dash hotel. So they are staying at a hotel. Number 4, look at dash woman over there. So look at the woman. Number 5, I do not like dash hockey. I do not like hockey. There is no need to insert any article here. Number 6, that is dash boy I told you about. That is the boy I told you about. Number 7, dash night is quite cold. Let's take a walk. So the night is quite cold. Let's take a walk. Number 8, dash price of shirt keeps rising. So the answer is the price of shirt keeps rising. Number 9, he is dash Pakistani. He is a Pakistani. Number 10, I read dash amazing story yesterday. I read an amazing story yesterday. Number 11, my brother doesn't eat dash chicken. My brother doesn't eat chicken. There is no need to insert any article here. Number 12, I live in dash apartment. I live in an apartment. Number 13, I would like dash piece of cake. I would like a piece of cake. Number 14, I was in dash Chinese restaurant. I was in dash Chinese restaurant, a Chinese restaurant. Number 15, Ahmed can play dash guitar. Ahmed can play a guitar. So this was your exercise on the topic article. Now we have another topic and on page number 19, and that is pronouns. Take the screenshot as well. Now what is pronoun? It's a very important topic. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. Common pronouns include I, me, mine, she, he, it, we, and us. There are many different types of pronouns, each serving a different purpose. A pronoun can act as a subject, direct object, indirect object, object of the preposition. We have different types of pronouns like indefinite pronouns, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns. But we discuss only two kinds here. According to our book, the one is indefinite pronoun and the other is relative pronoun. So indefinite pronoun, those referring to one or more unspecified objects, such as someone, anybody, nothing, something, nobody. There is, we have indefinite pronouns जिसमें हम स्पेसिफिकली किसी को पॉइंट आउट नहीं करते, बल्कि हम समवन, एनीवन, नथिंग, नोबॉडी, समथिंग एज ए होल बात करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स: वुड एनीवन लाइक कॉफी? Anyone is a indefinite pronoun here in this example. The other example is, I want someone to move this box. So someone is also indefinite pronoun. Now come towards relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a type of pronoun that often introduces dependent or relative clauses in sentences. They also can stand alone as the subject or the object of a sentence. Relative pronouns are who, whoever, whom, whomever, that, which, when, and whose. But the five main relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. The question arises in our mind that why are relative pronouns important? So the relative pronouns introduces relative clauses, which is a group of words that has both a subject and a verb and modifies a noun in a sentence. Without the relative pronoun, the relative clause would not exist. In fact, the relative pronouns is a clue word to let us know that the relative clause is beginning. Let's start with the simple sentence, that is, the fly landed. Now let's build it up with a relative clause. The fly that had been buzzing around Ali's head landed on the cake. In this case, the relative pronoun that introduces the relative clause that had been buzzing around Ali's head. At first, we knew only that a fly landed. Now, by adding the relative clause, we have more information about the fly. So the students, I have another exercise for you people to solve, and that is fill in the blanks with correct relative or indefinite pronouns. Kindly you can take the screenshot as well. Number 1 is, I talked to the girl dash car had broken. We use a proper relative or indefinite pronouns here. So, I talked to the girl whose car had broken. Number 2, Mr. Ahmed dash is a taxi driver. So, Mr. Ahmed, who is the taxi driver? Number 3, would you like dash to eat? Would you like something to eat? Number 4, it was really dark and I couldn't see dash. And I couldn't see anything. Number 5, I live in a house in Warsak Road. Dash is in Peshawar. So, which is in Peshawar? Number 6. This is the boy. Dash comes from Lahore. Who comes from Lahore? Number 7. Does Dash live in that house? So, does anybody live in that house? Number 8. This is boring. There's dash to do. This is boring. There's nothing to do. Number 9. The man dash father is a professor. So the man whose father is a professor forgot his umbrella. And the last one, number 10. The shop is closed. Dash has gone home. Everybody has gone home. So dear student, that was your summary. I hope you will understand it. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Take care.